Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy and you're watching Android Power. Redmi Note 5 Pro got MIUI 10 OTA update that is based on Oreo 8.1 and the build number is 10.0.2.0. In this video, I will tell you what are the changes in this update and will give you a review of this update. The update comes with few changes to system. Also, the update size is 159 MB. It will be different if you're on MIUI 9 build. So as you can see, I got the update. Let me download this update and update my phone to latest version of MIUI. The update comes in batches, so it will roll out to you based on your location. If you have not got the update, you can download the full ROM package or OTA file and place it in your phone. Now go to device settings, about phone, system update, hit the gear icon at the top right corner and select choose update package. Now pick the ROM file and flash it manually. So I have installed this update, so let me reboot the phone. So the reboot sequence has done. Now let's go to system settings, about phone. As you can see, I am on MIUI 10 version 10.0.2.0 and the Android version is still Oreo 8.1 based on September security patch, which is not the latest one. Xiaomi should give October security patch because it's the end of October month and still we are not getting latest patch. Regarding the changes and improvements, lock screen status bar notification bar, they have added restore unimportant notification appeared after double tap, and regarding the camera, they have restored opening camera, rebooted the device. Some people are having issues with network drop. I have also tested the network speed. There is no issue with data. For me, in downloading apps via data, having no issues. Wi-Fi is also working, no issues with that too. Regarding the voice calls, there is the HD icon on the status bar for VoLTE or HD calling. In my testing, there is no issue with network and calling via VoLTE have no issues. Regarding the location, I tried locking my location from outdoors and indoors and it instantly locked my location, which is a good thing in this update. Now talking about the camera in this update, the zoom feature of MIUI camera is still not been fixed. I have tested the shutter speed of the camera, which has been reduced in the previous build and still not fixed. It's lagging while taking multiple pictures. Same it was in 10.0.1.0. We get animated tone in pictures taking in artificial lighting. Regarding the other features of the camera app, there are no new mode. Picture quality is fine and still there is no 4K recording, but they have added this new 1080p recording at 16 frames per second. I have also tested this and in my opinion 1080p recording at 60 frames per second gives faded and washed out colors and less stabilization as compared to 30 frames per second. 30 frames per second is still better in my opinion. If we talk about battery on this update, battery is same as previous build. You will get 7 hours of screen on time with normal usage and 3 to 4 hours of heavy usage. So battery is still not improved with this update. One thing I have noticed with this update, both the fingerprint and face lock is faster than ever. As you can see, the moment I touched my finger on the sensor, it unlocks the device within a second. As you can see, it's very fast. Also, the face unlock is now more fast and as you can see, it's unlocking the device pretty fast now. If we talk about general performance of the ROM feels so smooth, no lag in general operations, but it has poor RAM management. Also, all apps are reloading in the background. App opening speed is also great. Regarding the general gaming, I have not played all heavy game because I hardly get time to play. But yes, for testing, I played games like PUBG, Modern Combat 5 and Subway Surfers, and I feel gaming is also not that great. Performance has dropped with this update, but still you can't play PUBG in highest setting and PUBG is lagging with this update. Another thing I have noticed about the device is the sound via loudspeaker. I have tested playing many songs via phone speaker. I feel the speaker voice is too much low and flat, and which is not good thing. Then I tried testing it with headphone jack and with headphone jack sound is good and audio and video playback have no issues too. Only con I have with the speaker is the loudness. So talking about the benchmark scores, Antutu version 7 score is 1,15,010 And the Geekbench score, single core score is 1342 and multi-core score is 4918. So that's pretty much for this video. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Do subscribe for more these kind of video. Till then, I'm signing off. Bye bye.